Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Ilanis EA for MT4, currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting here on the Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is priced at 30 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 15 US dollars. This is version 3.5 of the software, and according to the marketplace information, it was last updated on April 30th, 2019. Looking through the description, Ilanis is presented as an expert advisor that can be used not only on Forex, but also on commodities, metals, index markets, and other trading instruments. The developer explains that market entries are determined using an adaptive indicator called FourAverage, which is described as a modern and lightweight adaptive indicator. The position management approach is also explained in the description. According to the developer, the EA uses an averaging methodology that is similar to the well-known Elan concept, while placing emphasis on what is described as more accurate market entries. Now, the marketplace information further states that position management can involve increasing lot sizes through a martingale-based coefficient called EXP lot, which traders can configure within the settings. One important recommendation from the developer is that the EA is configured to work on EURUSD using the M15 time frame. This is the primary setup mentioned on the marketplace page, so that is the context I would focus on when reviewing any historical testing results. So as I continue scrolling through the features, the EA is described as supporting both instant execution and market execution broker models. Okay. It can automatically recognize quote formats and is designed to continue managing existing orders after temporary connection interruptions or computer restarts. The developer also notes that the EA only works with its own orders, all right, even if manual trading is taking place on the same account. Looking at the parameters section, there are separate buy and sell settings, including FourAverage calculation periods and adaptive smoothing values. There is also a comprehensive money management section where traders can configure starting lot size, lot multiplication for subsequent orders, minimum profit targets, stop loss, and take profit behavior, and various risk-related controls. The EA also includes filters such as spread limitations, trading hour restrictions, weekday filters, and options to prevent opening positions under specific conditions. These controls can be useful when adapting the EA to different trading environments. Now, let us just move over to the historical backtest results. Whenever I review historical testing performance, I prefer to focus on how the strategy behaved throughout the testing period rather than just the final performance figures. Since the developer specifically recommends EURUSD on the M15 timeframe, that is the most relevant context when evaluating the historical analysis. From the report we have provided here, initial deposit $1,000, total net profit 5,749.01. And then here I can see that the win rate is 78.8%. The equity and growth curve looks pretty interesting, although there were some periods of substantial drawdown recorded. Okay, here we have this was 1st January 2013 to 28th May 2014. All right. um okay, in this case reinvestment was false, here investment was true, and the total net profit yielded in this case was over $63,000. All right, pretty interesting. So let's head over to our strategy tester right now, and I can see that you know okay, I'm testing the Ilanis EA on EURUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended using the every tick modeling, and I'm testing it over the past 3 months. Okay, so here I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was 12.91, and total trades taken we have 43, out of which 34 were profitable, giving us a 79.07% win rate. Largest profit was 3.58, largest loss was 3.34. The average profit was 70 cents and the average loss $1.21. Okay, so that shows me that the risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Now let's go turn on the visuals. Let's see this EA in action. All right, looking at the chart history, the marketplace description indicates that entries are generated using the FourAverage indicator, right? While position management relies on averaging techniques. Now, the historical activity can help us observe how trade series developed, how additional positions were managed within those series, and how the EA responded during different market phases. Because the description specifically notes that long trends can be challenging for this type of approach, reviewing longer historical periods becomes particularly important. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across a wider range of market conditions. Now, as for the historical backtest results, it is important to remember that historical testing performance should never be viewed as a guarantee of future returns. Results can vary significantly based on lot sizing, optimization choices, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, account size, and overall market conditions. Overall, the Ilanis EA combines adaptive indicator-based entries with an averaging style position management approach and a wide range of configurable settings. If you are interested in exploring this strategy further, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading application. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.